balance and stability are the keys to everything. And so if you're feeling a little unsteady when you're going up the stairs or maybe even walking down the street, I want you to feel very, very stable on your feet. So we're going to do a couple of exercises today. My name is Adita Lang, owner of www.aditalang.com, and I am here to teach you some balance and stability exercises to make you more stable on your feet. And I've got my little cohort here, Mila, who's going to help me right along with that, okay? So we're going to start off with just a little basic warm-up, and all I want you to do, and if you needed to use your chair, you've got it here so you can hold on to it, but I want you to come all the way up on your toes, as high as you can get. Try to feel like you're balancing your weight on all 10 toes, and then I want you to slowly set yourself down. And I want you to do that again. Come all the way up, balance on all 10 toes, and then slowly set yourself down. And come back up. If you need to hold on, you can. You want to make sure you're on all 10 toes. Many times we waver to our pinky or our big toe. You want to get in the center and then come down and bring that back up again and bring that down. We're going to do that one more time. Take that up, balance yourself, hold it there. Excellent. And bring that down. Wonderful. Now, we're going to hold on to our chair, and I want you to lift up your left leg. Now your goal is going to be to let go of the chair. So maybe some of you are holding on for dear life, and others I want you to start to let go of it, even if it's just a finger, just so you know the chair's there. But your goal is going to be to stabilize yourself here. Now perfect posture is shoulders back, chest is lifted, and abdominals are in really, really tight. Okay, so you're holding yourself centered, and you're going to push your heel out. Feel the top of your quadricep tighten up, and then slowly control that back. And again, push that out, press through the heel, and pull that back. And press straight out and back in. There you go. Excellent. Abdominals are in tight. You're going to inhale one way, exhale the other. Full inhale and full exhale. There you go. Pressing through that heel and bring it back. We got 4 more. That's 1. Hold yourself steady. I got the wind pushing me. That's 2. There you go. And 3, one more time. Excellent job. And 4, wonderful. Bring that down. Wow, move those legs around. So just kind of march in place, get the blood going again. Okay, so again, we have our chair here. We're going to do our other leg. You're going to stabilize yourself, get yourself really steady. Place your hand where you have the least amount of hold onto that chair, okay? And then from there, push that heel out and bring it back in. Once again, shoulders are back and down, abdominals are tight, chest is lifted. Push through the heel and bring it back. You've got 2 things going on here. We're working our quad, we're trying to really tighten that up, but this stabilizing leg has all the little muscles in our ankles, around our knee and our hip, working really hard as well. So you got 2 things happening, which is really a good thing. Keep pushing, feel that quadricep tighten up as you extend, bring it back in. You've got 4, excellent. And 3, there you go. 2, one more time. And 1, bring that down. Wonderful, move those legs around. So we're going to work on a little bit of sitting and standing, and you're going to walk in front of your chair. I want your feet to be hip width apart. Now, the ideal situation is to choose a chair that when you sit down on it, you have a 90-degree bend on it. Now, this chair is a little bit tall for me, and it's going to be a little bit tall for my partner there, but we're going to work it as best as we can. So your feet are hip distance apart, your abdominals are in really, really tight. I want you to look upward. So because remember that wherever you move your eyes, the rest of your body follows. So you need to pull those shoulders up, lift up the chest, look up high, and you're going to slowly sit down, barely touch the chair, and then bring yourself right back up. And again, take it down. You're pushing your hips backwards as you sit, and then you're pulling them up to sit back up again. And sit, push those hips way back. Ideally, you want to keep the knees behind the ankles as much as you can, or behind the toes, let's put it that way. Aim those hips back and bring it right back up again. Full inhale and full exhale. There you go. Press those hips back again. Keep your weight very, very balanced and bring that back up. And again, take it down. I want you to think about something as you're doing your squat. Most of your weight is on your heel, but I want you to take your toes and really press them into the floor. Then as you push up, it's your entire foot pulling you up. So as you go down, your weight's on your heels, but your toes are gripping. And when you come up, it's the whole foot that pushes you up. There you go. and press it down. We're going to do that one more time and bring it up. And now we're just going to sit down in our chair. Excellent job. So from here, we're sitting up again really straight. Watch your posture. That's the most important thing. I want you to hold on to your rib cage right here. Take a big deep breath, and as you exhale, you'll feel the ribs squeeze inward. You want to squeeze them as tight as you can, and you're going to bend over and squeeze super, super tight from your abdominals, and then slowly open it, and you'll feel the rib cage open up. And again, squeeze it in. Sometimes it's easier to exhale at this point. And then inhale and open it up. Again, squeeze it tight, squeeze it tight, squeeze it tight. There you go. And slowly open it up. And press in, squeeze the ribs as tight as they can go. And open straight up from there. And squeeze those ribs super, super tight. There you go. And bring it up. We're going to do that one more time. And again, squeeze the ribs really tight. And press that up. Great job. So let's take both arms straight out. Now your shoulder blades have a little muscle in between them, and I want you to try to squeeze that. So in your head, if you could think about maybe squeezing a pencil with your shoulder blades and squeeze it as tight as you can, and then let it go. The key here is to move from your shoulder blades and not your elbows, okay? So the arms stay straight, and it's just the shoulder blades moving back, squeezing together, and then bringing it forward once again. And squeeze back as far as they can go, and bring that forward. And again, squeeze it back, and bring that forward. Good job. Press it back, squeeze from the shoulder blades. Try to keep those arms in front of you, right here. And squeeze those shoulder blades back, just the shoulder blades. So leave your arms in front. There we go. Squeeze it back. And bring it forward like that, just like that, really small. Squeeze back, there you go. Your goal is to keep those arms right in front. Squeeze one more time, and now just shake those arms out as much as they can. Oh, much better. You're gonna roll those shoulders back. Draw some circles with your shoulders as far as they can go. Big circle up, big circle back and down. Yes, one more time. Okay, now we got another one here. Take both arms up. Now arms are gonna stay up. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Just the shoulders. You're going to pull your shoulders up to your ears, and you're going to squeeze your shoulders down where you feel like your shoulder blades are in your back pockets, and you're going to squeeze them up, and you're going to bring them back down again. And your shoulders go up to your ears, and they go back down. And again, squeeze them up and press them down, and squeeze them up and bring it down. Two more. Take that up. And bring it down one more time. Take it up and bring it down and drop those arms out. Just shake it out. Okay, we're going to come back up to standing right on the side of our chair like we were earlier. So here we are. Again, you can hold on to your chair if you need to. Your goal is going to be to let go. And we're going to bring that leg up, balance your weight, lift your chest up, and I want you to rotate that heel up and bring it back to center. And again, rotate up and back to center. Good job. Press that up and down. Abdominals are tight. You keep lifting your chest up, and if you have to hold on to your chair, you do. Press it up and back down. Take it up and down. There you go. Ideally, you don't necessarily even need to follow my beat. I want you to follow a rhythm of movement that makes you feel stable on your feet. Okay? Whatever that rhythm is, you got to follow it. There you go. Inhale one way, exhale the other. We have 3 more. And 2. And we're going to do 1 more. Bring that up and bring that down. Excellent. So we got the other leg to go. Pick that leg up, lift yourself up tall, abs are in, and rotate up and bring that down. There you go. Rotate from the hip, bring it back to center. Full inhale and full exhale. Excellent job. There you go. Press that up and bring that down. Rotating. You've got all these muscles in your hips that you want to keep them strong, so they help you go upstairs, they help you move forward, the whole 9 yards. Bring that up and take it back down. Keep lifting up that chest. Remember, you got to use all your toes of that bottom stabilizing foot. There you go. Take that up. We got 4 more. Excellent. And 3. There you go. 2. Wonderful. One more time. And 1. Bring that down. Shake that out. Good, we're gonna sit back in our chair again. We gotta give ourselves, but actually we're gonna start with squats because we're here, right? So looking up, abdominals are tight. You're gonna slowly aim your hips back, barely touch the chair, and bring yourself right back up again. Inhaling one way, exhaling the other. There you go. Press those hips back, 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 back. There you go, and lift it up. Full inhale and full exhale. Remember, abdominals are always tight. The key is, with everything in life, when you feel like you're going to exert effort, you need to pull in your abdominals. The abdominals is that one muscle that stretches outward. And unfortunately, for whatever reason, most people tend to push their stomach out instead of pulling it in, and then that muscle becomes extended, and we don't want that. So I want you to really think about controlling and contracting that abdomen and bringing it right back up. We're going to do one more. Press it down and bring it back up. Great job, and now we're going to sit down. So we're sitting back in our chair. I want you to think about sitting up really tall, and you're like a statue. Think of your spine as a statue, and what you're going to do, you can hold on to your chair if you need to, but I'd like to see you let go. I want you to pull up your right knee as high as it can go without leaning backwards, and then bring it down again. And press that up and back down. Full inhale and full exhale. There you go. Up and take it down. Yes, keep lifting yourself really, really tall and bring that down and take it up and back down. Two more. Press it up and down. One more time. Bring it up and take that down. Good. Let's do the other leg. Same thing. Pull yourself up really tall. Abdominals are in, and lift that knee up and bring it down. Full inhale and full exhale. There we go. Take that up and bring it down. Press it up. You got to keep your chest up tall, your abdominals in super tight. Lift it and bring that down. And again, take that up and back down. Full inhale and full exhale. Press it up and down. There you go. Keep lifting that chest. Four more. Excellent. And three. That's it. Two. One more time. And bring that up. Oh, bring that back down again. There we go. Okay. Let's take our arms back out again, really straight with the body. Remember, it's just the shoulder blades. You're going to squeeze them back behind you and then bring it in. Yes, and take it back and bring it in. And you got to envision like you're trying to hold a pen between your shoulder blades, and then you let it go. And again, squeeze it back and let it go. Press it back and let it go. Two more. Squeeze back. Let that go. One more time. Squeeze it back and let that go. Drop those arms. We're going to do one more standing exercise. So we're going to come back to the side of our chair. Hold on. Pull that knee up. And so this time what I want to see you do is you're going to open your knee to the side and bring it back. By pulling your knee to the side, you're going to throw your balance off a little bit, which means that this leg has to stabilize even more, which is a good thing. So press it out. Take your time. Really try to hold it steady and come back to center. Press it out and bring it back to center. There you go. Inhale one way and exhale the other. Press out and back to center. You've got four. There you go. And three. Here we go. Two. That's it. One more time. And press it out. Good. And bring that leg down. Okay, we're going to do the other leg. So we got to back up a little bit from our chair. We're going to bring that leg up. Again, you can hold on, but not too much. Your goal is to let go, and then you're going to squeeze that hip out and bring it back to center. Press it out and take it back to center. Lifting up your chest high, pulling in your abdominals really tight. There you go. Mila, how you doing back there? Good. I got her going. Press that out, squeeze tight, and bring it back. Press it out there. There you go. Use all your toes of that left leg. You've got four. Excellent. And three. Press it out. There you go. It's two. Yes, we got one more. And press that out. Wonderful. And bring that down. Let's come back to our chair. So you're going to cross your foot on the knee, sit up really, really straight. Take a big deep breath. And as you exhale, you're going to pivot forward from your hip. Try to keep your chest up so that you actually feel the stretch in your hip, which is a great thing to do. This is an excellent stretch, especially if you've been sitting for a long period of time. And then you're going to bring that up, and I want you to switch sides, cross the other foot over, grab onto that shin, pull your chest forward. There you go. Excellent job right there. Wonderful. And bring that in. So now what I want you to do, you're sitting at the edge of your chair, extend one leg straight. There you go. Pull the toes towards you and just stretch forward so you feel the stretch going behind that leg. Guess what? We're towards the end. That's where the stretching comes in. It's a good thing, right? And bring that in, change legs. Keep that leg nice and straight. Stretched out there. There you go. Pull it forward, lead from the chest. Abdominals again are in tight. Remember, that's your goal. Keep your abdominals in nice and tight. And bring that center. We're going to take the right arm across the chest, pull it in with the left, and just pull it in. There you go. Push that right shoulder down just a little bit. Awesome. And now take the other arm, bring it across the chest, and pull that in. Push that shoulder down just a little bit. There you go. Now, if you haven't worked with me before, you probably haven't heard this, but I'm a stickler when it comes to what's going on with your toes. So if you notice that you were having some challenges maybe doing your squats or even some of the balance exercises because your toes are flying up in the air, I have a homework assignment for you. You're going to take a tissue, throw it on the floor, and you're going to pick it up with your toes because you got to get those toes to be moving. Once you can get your toes to really be working, they'll help stabilize you and you'll feel a little bit more comfortable and more stable. So take that as a little piece of homework for you to do, and we'll continue on with some of these videos on a different day. Bye for now.